Going to Starbucks. Yung sweetener niya is get coffee. Sabi ko ice. Parang walang ice pag we're going to make that viral Korean GLP boiled egg. So, let's go! So, of course, first thing first, boiled egg, boiled for 7 minutes, and soft boiled egg lang siya. Tapos lang sa cold water, and then, yun na to. Here you go, try this viral Korean GLP boiled egg. Lagi ako kumakain ng boiled egg every day or every other day. Ikaw lang na-try na maglagay ng olive oil and it's really good. Sabi nila parang Ozempic daw yung effect ng boiled egg with olive oil. Parang tinitrigger yung hormones na GLP into our body. Kaya parang sinusurpress nga yung hunger. Hindi ka madaling magutom. Wala namang masama. There's nothing bad trying it since kumakain naman ako ng boiled egg and it's good. So yun lang mga friend. Bye!